All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Bluripp Sleepals Mini Bluetooth earbuds. So in today's video, I'm going to go over a fit demonstration for everyone. I'm going to let you guys and gals know how I feel about the overall fit and feel of the earbuds. Then I'm also going to give my opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. And then I'm going to give you guys and gals two leakage tests to the best of my ability. The first one, two sound sample tests to the best of my ability. My mistake. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and then the second one is going to be an overall sound sample. All right. So with that being said, I hope everyone finds this video helpful. And without further ado, let's begin. All right. Starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit and the feel of these earbuds, and let me give y'all an overall demonstration. So y'all can see I've had the earbuds in my ears for the entirety of this video so far, and you can see this is a nice front profile shot here, and you can see if you're not paying really close attention, you can barely tell that there's earbuds in my ears. All right, and then if I turn to my left and give you guys and gals a nice shot of the right earbuds, you can see what it looks like in my ears. So if you're the type of person with a similar head structure, size, and ear structure as mine, you can get a really good overall general idea of how the earbuds are going to look. So this is the right earbud, okay? Now let me turn to my right and give y'all a nice shot of the left earbud here, and you can see it's more of the same, okay? And that was a real sample, a real quick sample of the profiles. Now, talking about the overall fit and the overall comfort level of these earbuds, in my opinion, I have to say these are top notch. I've been able to wear these earbuds to do just about anything I want to do with them on, and I haven't had any issues in terms of the overall comfort or the feel. Now, also for reference, I have the stock earbud tips that came on the earbuds out of the box. There are a few other sizes and wing tips, but I found that the stock tips actually fit my ears the best. Okay. And also, I'll have a close-up of the earbuds thrown up in post, so y'all get a nice good shot of how the earbuds look for you guys and gals that like to see a nice close-up of the earbuds. But again, as I said, in terms of the overall fit and feel, it is top-notch in my overall opinion. Okay? Top-notch indeed. Now let's get into the sound samples. Now, for reference, I have these earbuds connected up to my Google Pixel 6a. Okay. I have the volume set to maximum. I'll have B-roll of this thrown up in post so y'all can see the music that I'm using in the video here today, as well as verification that the earbuds are connected up to my device, because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. And also a big shout out and a big thank you is going out to a good friend of mine, your boy Two Phones, for letting me feature his music in my videos. I really appreciate it, bro. I'll have his channel and his content linked up down below in the video description. If you like what you guys and gals hear, go ahead and check his channel out. Give him a follow, give him a subscribe, and let him know your boy E Drummond sent y'all over there. All right? So let's get into the first sound sample test now. Let's get into the leakage test. So once again, we're at max volume. And I am using my professional clip-on wireless audio here today. And for reference, the microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth, which is less than a foot away from the earbuds. So any and all leakage should easily be able to get picked up by my professional wireless microphones. So anyways, now let's go ahead and push play. And I'm going to do the first sound sample test, a leakage test. Here we go. Ooh, let me wait for that beat to drop. Let me wait for that beat to drop. There you go. Okay. Let's not take up too much time. All right, so before we get into the last sound sample of today's video, I just want to give you guys and gals my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds. I'll be sure to reiterate this opinion again in the full review, but from a sound quality perspective, I have to say these earbuds are top notch. There is little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum based on everything that I've tested with these earbuds. So it's top-notch overall sound quality in my opinion. Moving on, talking about the overall bass. This is another bass? I skipped one. Talking about the overall volume, my mistake. The volume on these earbuds is top notch as well. Again, I can easily drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in what I want to do with these earbuds. And that to me equates to the fact that the volume on these is top notch as well. So really good job there as well. Now, moving on over to the all important bass. And just so everyone knows, I am not an audio professional, not by any means. I'm just a self-proclaimed tech junkie and overall bass head, lover of all things bass. And I gotta say, the bass on these earbuds is really good. It's just missing a little bit of extra punch and grit. It's so close, so close. But I mean, they're really tiny. I feel like the overall bass impressions is actually caused by the fact that we get a really nice fit with a really nice solid seal. So the earbuds don't really have to work as hard to really punch. So although the bass is just a little bit soft, otherwise leading me to say that the overall bass on these is really good. I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised. When I took these out the box and I saw the size of them, I was prepared to be disappointed by these three categories, but I've been pleasantly surprised. And again, the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these are really good. Now, for those of you new to the channel, for every bump down, everything else gets bumped down. So the fact that the overall sound quality was top notch, that one stays maxed out. The fact that the overall volume was top notch, that one also stays maxed out. But the fact that the bass was just really good and not top notch brings the other two down. So overall, in terms of the sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds, I have to say overall, in my opinion, it's just really good across the board. All right, just my overall opinions there. Now let me rewind the track and let me give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. Let's go. So let me push play now. And let me hold these up to the microphone. And I do have it on sleep mode, so the touch controls are disabled. So I shouldn't have any accidental presses. Let me go ahead and pop these out. Okay, ooh, and you really don't get too much leakage either. Let me hold them up to the mic and give y'all this sound sample for about 30 seconds, starting now. Ten more seconds. And let me give y'all an extra 5. And there we go. Real quick sound sample there. Let me pop these back in. Okay. And let me go ahead and pause the music. Hold on. Pause the music real quick. All right. And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. So once again, this has been a overall fit and sound demo for the Bluripp Sleepals Mini Bluetooth earbuds. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you'd like to know where you can see more coverage on these earbuds, or you would like to know where you can see more videos like this, I will have all my extended coverage on these earbuds linked up down below in the video description. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as well. And make sure you click off the notification bell icon located right next to it. Also, if you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, all of my affiliate links for these earbuds will be located down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, when you make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a one-stop shop for everyone, and you guys and gals should be good to go. And that makes the video description as well a one-stop shop for you guys and gals as well. All right. Today's video was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the iPhone 15 Plus, and we are using professional wireless audio here today. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality from the front and the rear facing cameras, as well as the overall audio. As always, all of your guys and gals feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. All right.